Some very startling observations on the history of Sambhal and also perhaps an orchestrated, would you agree? It points to an orchestrated demographic cleansing of that entire area over the last few decades.
See, definitely in Sambhal there has been a demographic change, and that demographic change has been through a conspiracy. It's a very systematic demographic change, and the fact of the matter is that apart from demographic change in Sambhal, there are a lot of issues and lot of questions which needs relevant answers as per the constitution. For example, the violence which happened in Sambhal during the survey which was carried out by court order on 19th of November and 24th of November, I must tell you that there was a pre-planned conspiracy to eliminate the entire survey team. And I am saying it with lot of sense of responsibility. In Sambhal, when we talk about the principles of rule of law, the question is that why there are so many temples which are existing in Sambhal and the surrounding areas of Sambhal, which were not where the Hindus were not allowed to worship, where 15 riots happened in Sambhal, and in most of the riots Hindus were brutally murdered, killed, ethnic cleansing happened, and there were no questions, no inquiry, no justice which was delivered to the members of the Hindu community. So Anand, the question is today, and let me tell you that Sambhal has terror links also, which the SIT has found. So the point is that there is a deep-rooted conspiracy which has happened so far as survey is concerned. There is a deep-rooted conspiracy so far as the Harihar temple is concerned. And let me tell you, Anand, the fact of the matter is that in 1528-29, Babur demolished a pre-existing Hindu temple and converted it into a mosque. The mosque is, as of now, by the notification of the ASI, it is an ASI protected area, but ASI has given an affidavit. ASI is not able to take possession of its own monument. So the fact of the matter is, the question is that when we are talking about rule of law and principles of the constitution, where Hindus are in minority, whether such important, you can say, features of the constitution are followed in Sambhal is the question which I ask.